My name is Sandra Stryker, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about Restore Holistic Health and tell you the story of how functional medicine changes lives every day and the clients that I work with. Clients who come to me, and I'm going to tell you a story about a specific one. Young 45-year-old woman, very active, mother of three, busy working professional, had an orthopedic injury with a surgery in late summer a few years ago. Following the surgery, went to rehabilitation. PT was very diligent, got through the recovery around the fractures in her foot, and then started noticing swelling in her knees and fatigue and pain and insomnia, and then gut stuff started happening. And this happened shortly, in short order, maybe 6 months after the original episode of the fracture. So this particular client went to some of the best doctors in the city where she lived, physiatrists, orthopedic surgeons, to figure out why is she swelling everywhere? Why is she sore everywhere? Went to her primary care doctor. No real help, no real findings. Everything came back normal, but of course this poor client didn't feel well. This client started my program, my 16-week program, started with me on an intensive workup. Come to find out there were many root cause issues on a functional medicine pathway that took her IBS symptoms from 2 or 3 episodes a day down to 0, that took her joint swelling and joint pain from about a 7 or an 8 out of 10 on some days down to a 1 or a 2, and then eventually down to a 0, that got her function where she wasn't walking and wasn't exercising like she normally did, wasn't running, wasn't skiing, wasn't doing these things like she normally would, and returned her to her full sports. After about, I would say, 6 weeks in the program, she really started recovering, and by 12 weeks, 13 weeks, she was back at it at her normal self. That's really what functional medicine is about, is understanding how the body's supposed to work, understanding the client's story of what's not working, and starting to dig in and find out what are those root causes and getting that person on a path back to healing. Usually it requires no medications, of course, and it requires specific deep looks into what's not working and what needs to work better. If that sounds like something that appeals to you, if that sounds like something at least you'd want to learn more about, a free discovery call is available. Go ahead and click that call. I'd be happy to hear your story and meet you and try to figure out if I'm the right person to help you with your issues and return you to optimal health. Thanks so much. I look forward to meeting you soon.